We're heading down to Las Vegas searching for Tenaya Creek Brewery. They're located at 831 West Bonanza Road in Las Vegas. There in the parking lot, we'll find an amazing food truck, Mama Napoli Pizza.
Albert Grande here, pizzatherapy.com, legendsofpizza.com/blog, and my new webcast, I gotta put that in, pizzapodcast.com. I'm with Tim Younghands. He's gonna give us a tour of his pizza truck, Mama Napoli. Hey Tim.
How's it going? Good to see you guys. So yeah, welcome. We built this way back in 2007, and our goal was to, really just learn to make outstanding pizza. And we've been constantly refining our craft ever since we started. We built this out of a race car trailer, and me and my friend and my wife, we built it, and it's been going ever since. We started doing about a year and a half ago consistent Fridays here at the brewery, and it's been going really well. And so we'll show you around real quick.
Okay, perfect. Here we are at Tenaya Brewery.
Tenaya Creek Brewery.
Tenaya Creek Brewery.
Yep.
With Tim. All right, Tim, show us.
Cool. All right. So we've got our 3 windows, which got dumped on by a tree recently, but we're okay. So here's where we stretch the pizza, so we get a little show there. We've got our menu here. We do our sales here. And then over here, you can see the fire right through the window. I don't know if you can see it on the camera there, but it makes for a nice little show, especially in the winter when people are cold. So it's cool. It makes it really good for people sitting out here. They can smell it, they can see it, and they want to crave it, and they want to have it. So we'll go around and I'll show you the inside a little bit.
Okay.
So since we're on the inside of a trailer, we kept the oven on the small side, which makes it a little bit more difficult to manage heat. You got to be a little bit more careful, but it works very well for us. Because all the weight is here on the tongue, something we might have done differently, had we known better early on. We kept it small, but it works really well for us, and also looks great in the window.
Okay, it certainly does. But I noticed all the coals on the bed of the oven.
Right, so right now I've got the coals pulled out just to make sure that we got a really good charge on the deck. Our deck is really thick. We've actually, when it was installed, there's a 3-inch concrete slab underneath. And if we don't charge it all the way, the heat just wicks away from the deck, and then we don't get consistent cooking throughout the night.
Right.
As long as we get a good charge at the beginning of the night, it lasts, and we're in good shape.
Will you have to be adding wood to this fire?
Oh, definitely. Yeah, we'll be constantly stoking it, making sure that we always have a consistent temperature.
Okay, great.
Yeah. Here I've got some dough that's proofing. Well, not so much proofing as it is coming up to room temperature.
Okay.
It was cooled. It was cooled a little bit earlier. Yeah. But it's looking really nice. And we tried a little different technique today that we learned something at Pizza Expo. So we're gonna see how that goes. So we have some test batches. So yeah, everything gets stretched over here. It gets topped here. This is Jason. This is Shelby.
Hi.
Hello. How you doing? How's it going?
Good. And,
Greetings.
That's about the size of it. Yeah, we got the full complement, three compartment sink, and hand wash station. The whole deal. Health department loves us, and it goes well.
Great. Okay, well we'll get back when the pizzas start coming up.
Sounds good. Should be just a few minutes.
Okay, perfect. Thanks, Tim. How long are we looking at bake time per pie, do you think?
5 minutes or so. Yeah, we don't necessarily subscribe to the 3-minute rule, but about 5 minutes works for this oven. If we get it too hot, because the oven is so small, we can't really get away from the heat if we need to, so just keeping it down just a little bit helps. Sure. See the oh yeah, it's definitely gelatinized better inside. Interesting. See it? We're learning. We're learning.
Oh, beautiful. Is that Albert's Pizza?
Thanks so much, Tim, for sharing your wonderful pizza and giving a behind-the-curtain look at Mama Napoli's Pizza. You can find out more by visiting Mama Napoli on Facebook at facebook.com/Mama Napoli, or go to their website, mamanapolipizza.com. And you can find Tenaya Creek Brewery at 831 West Bonanza Road in Las Vegas. Their website is tenayacreek.com. While you're here, if you could show a little bit of pizza love and subscribe to the Pizza Therapy channel. Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.